5, 6, 7, 8. First restart wall. Restart. Reset second now. Reset third now. Thank you. Okay, here is the short tutorial. Okay, we started with the weight on the right. What are you going to do? You get side together, heel together. 7, 7, 8. Side together, heel together. Same with the right. Side together, heel together. Now you weight on the right. Now we make a side rock, behind side cross. 7, 8. Rock, recover, behind side cross. Then we get half Montree turn. Montree turn, heel together. Now you weight on the left. Now you get side together, point together, side together, point together. 7, 8. Side together, point together. The same with the left. Side together, point together. Now you weight on the left. Now you make a triple turn over your left shoulder, half turn. Triple half. Shuffle half turn. Rock, recover. And then we get step, point on the right to the side. Scuff together. Is your weight on the right and you're starting over again. Here we go. Side together, heel together, side together, heel together, side rock, behind side cross, Montree half, heel together. So quarter turn, Montree half. And then we get side together, point together, side together, point together, shuffle half turn over your left shoulder, shuffle half turn, rock, recover. Then we step forward, side point, scuff, place. And we're starting over again. Now on the count, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next section, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next section, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last section, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5.6, 7, 8. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next section, 1, 2, behind 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next section, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next section, last section, 1 and 2, half, 3, 4, 5.6, 7, 8. Okay, here we go, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next section, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next section, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next section, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 3 restarts in this dance. The first restart is in wall 4 after 28 counts. The second restart is in wall 7 after 28 counts. And the last restart is in wall 8 after 24 counts. Then touch your left feet behind the right and start over again. I hope you all will like it. Have fun. Bye bye.